Sure Look men's hiking boot. This is a waterproof boot that's breathable, and it's for outdoor hiking, trekking, and also getting small jobs done around the yard and house. The fabric type is synthetic leather and mesh, and it's vegan safe. The sole is synthetic rubber. These are waterproof and lightweight. Men's waterproof hiking made of synthetic mesh with SL-Tex waterproof membrane that prevents water from entering and water vapor. Ultra lightweight, 1.1 pounds in a size 11. So these will keep you comfortable and dry with the waterproof seal. Closed cell tongue, it prevents rain, muck, and sand from entering, while also providing excellent ventilation through the fabric lining. With its removable memory foam insoles that provides excellent arch support and flexible, and it gives you protection. Also has an anti-collision toe. With its high energy reserve, this EVA midsole brings superior cushioning, durability, and anti-slip. The traction rubber sole provides multi-directional support and stability in a variety of environments. So this is great for daily life, outdoor sports, walking, hunting, camping, traveling. And Sure Look is an American brand that aims at providing more professional, more cost-effective, and high-quality outdoor boots. Give them a look and pick some up for yourself.